Now we proceed to next paragraph, paragraph 3. Remember the last question put up by Little Swallow, that who are you? He got the answer that he is a happy prince. After that again he asked, then why are you weeping? At this point the statue replied, when I was alive, had a human heart, I did not know what tears were, for I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. My courtiers called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was. So I lived and so I died. So this was the reply of Happy Prince or statue. Statue says, when he was alive, when he had a human heart, at that time he lived a happy life. He was away from sorrow. Courtiers called him as the happy prince, and he was happy at that time. So he lived happily, he died happily. But when he was put here, when his statue was put here, he was upset, he was sorrowful. Now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city, and though my heart is made of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. So second part of statue's reply is that he said, after my death, people put me here on this high place. From there I can see the miseries of the people, sorrows of the people. Although I had lead heart, but I weep. I can't do anything. I choose to weep. I cannot choose but weep. What? Is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Now again, as the statue was not happy, means Happy Prince was not happy. Now he is narrating the first incident. After seeing that incident, he became unhappy, he became sorrowful. What was the incident he is narrating? The statue said, far away, the statue in a low voice, he said, far away in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the window is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. Her face is thin and worn. She has coarse, red hands, all pricked by the needle, because she is a seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor to wear at the next court ball. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her ruby out of my sword hilt? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. So as the question was put up by little swallow, that why are you weeping? Then Happy Prince narrated the whole story, that when he was alive, he lived a happy life. He died happily. After his death, he saw the miseries of the city, miseries of the people, and he became sorrowful. After that, he narrated one incident that made Happy Prince unhappy. He had given a description of the seamstress, the woman who is poor. Her child was lying ill. She was engaged in embroidering flowers on a satin gown that is asked by queen. So she was preparing it. Her child was asking for orange, but her mother was providing him river water. She can't give orange to the child, so she was providing her river water. After this incident, Happy Prince requested Little Swallow, can you do one favor? You take ruby out of my sword hilt and give it to the poor women so that she can give orange to his son, to her son. She could live a happy life. So in pair number 3 we have seen the incident described by Happy Prince. इस पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि लिटिल स्वैलो ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि तुम रो क्यों रहे हो। तो हैप्पी प्रिंस ने बताया कि जब वो जीवित था तो एक सुखी जीवन जिया और उसके पैलेस में सारो एंट्री कर ये अलाउ नहीं था, तो वो दुख क्या होता वो पता नहीं था। जब उसकी मृत्यु हुई तो उसके बाद लोगों ने उसको जो है स्टॉल कॉलम पे प्लेस कर दिया और यहाँ से वो लोगों के दुख को देख सकता है। वो कहता है कि यद्यपि मेरा जो हार्ट है वो लेड का है, लेकिन मैंने चूज किया है रोना, क्योंकि यहाँ इस सिटी के दुखों को देख करके, इस सिटी में रहने वाले लोगों के दुख को देख करके वो दुखी होता है। इसी बीच जो है हैप्पी प्रिंस एक पुअर वीमेन की कहानी बताता है जो कि दुखी है, जो कि एक एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग कर रही है फ्लावर की सैटिन गाउन पे, जो कि क्वीन को पहनना है। क्वीन ने कहा है, वो उस काम में व्यस्त है। उसका बच्चा जो है वो बीमार है और वह जो है ऑरेंज के लिए जिद कर रहा है, लेकिन वो उसको दे नहीं पा रही है, वो उसे केवल रिवर वाटर दे रही है। तो इस देख के हैप्पी प्रिंस स्वैलो से कहता है कि मेरे पक्ष के लिए काम करो, तो मेरे जो स्वॉर्ड हिल्ट है उसमें जो रूबी लगी हुई है उसको ले करके जाओ और इसको दे दो किसको, उस औरत को। क्यों? क्योंकि वो मूव नहीं कर सकता, उसके पैर जो हैं जमा दिए गए हैं पेडिस्टल पे, वो मूव नहीं कर सकता। इसीलिए जो है तुम वहाँ जाओ और उसकी हेल्प करो, इसकी उस वीमेन की। So that was the condition of the women seamstress.